When you're working on a project in Cricut Design Space, depending on the screen of the device you're using, it can be difficult to tell the differences in colors. This can lead to a design cutting on more mats than you intended. Cricut has a useful tool to prevent that from happening with cut layers. It doesn't apply to write, score, or any of the other operation types. My name is Ruth, and this is Hank's Maker Mentor. There's more than one way to simplify colors on your design. You can select a layer, come up here and choose one of these colors. These are the ones that are already being used in the design. But if you're trying to change the color of a lot of things to get them to match, there's a much easier way to do it. If you are looking here at your canvas, on the right, you'll see the Layers panel. If you look right under the Make It button, you'll see it says Color Sync, and you'll click there. It says this panel allows you to sync colors to use fewer materials. To change colors, drag and drop an object into the layer of your desired color. You can see here that I've got 4 different colors. I can click on this star at the very bottom and drag it up so it matches the other ones. I can go through and adjust them all, so when I go to Make It, I only have 2 mats. And once you're done color syncing, you can click on the Layers button to go back to see all the individual pieces. The good news is this is not a desktop exclusive feature. On iOS and Android, you can use it too. There's a slightly different way of getting to it, and I'm going to show you on both. When you're looking at your design, across the bottom, you'll see your different options, and next to the Edit button, you'll see the word Sync with this little dropper and arrow icon. You'll click on that, and it'll pull up this Color Sync panel that says Drag and Drop Layers to consolidate material choices. On iOS, you just hold and drag these 3 lines that look like a hamburger menu to the color that you want. Overall, Android is the same as iOS. Instead of 3 lines to drag, it's set up with 2 lines. I do want to point out that Android and iOS both have the hex color code in the sync panel, unlike desktop. Once you're done syncing the colors, you'll click on the back arrow to return to your canvas. One example of a use for color sync is this design. It is a Cricut design, and I like the design, but if I want to change the colors to either match a different theme or just to reduce colors, you can open up the Sync Color panel and drag the layers to match the other colors. It's an easy way to change the colors of multiple things to get the look that you're going for. Now that you know what color sync is in Design Space and your colors are consolidated, check out this video to see whether you should group, attach, or weld them before you send them to your machine. I've linked the fonts I've used in the description below. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching Hank's Maker Mentor, and until next time, bye.